Hey, you guys! It's me, Neil. Say what's up, Michael.
What's up, Michael?
We're just chilling here. I'm just kidding. I've had a little bit of a cough recently. It's not really that big of a deal. It's having a lazy Saturday for me. I tried to go to... Here's the thing. You know, I replaced my chocolate canister in my car, and my check engine light was still on because it does that. So my friend's like, yo, just disconnect your battery terminal. I'm like, oh, duh. So disconnect my battery terminal to reset the check engine light. And it does, you know, it turns off and everything. I thought you said you were done eating nuts. Video holds everybody accountable. Yeah. So the check engine light turns off, and then I'm driving a little bit longer, and it turns back on. And I'm like, fuck. Is it my emissions still? Am I still fucked with my emissions? So if I get a smog test, am I going to fail? God damn it. My month-long permit runs out in like a couple days. I don't have a lot of time to get all this fucking shit sorted out. I'm like, god damn it. So I got to go to Pet Boys tomorrow and figure out, I'm going to have them check my check engine light thing and be like, if it's the emissions, I swear to God, I'm going to lose it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Other than that, I've actually been having a pretty great day. I've been watching a lot of The Killing, which is a really great TV show. It's on Netflix. There's 2 seasons on there right now. It's on AMC. It got canceled, and then apparently it's getting uncanceled, which is great because it's really, 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 really fucking good. And I really like it a lot. Yeah. I drank most of this today, which is good for you. Probably not in excess, but maybe I should have some water instead of this at some point. But I really like orange juice a lot. Tastes good. Don't you like it? I think it's great. It's great. I've also been eating these nuts. But I don't really have taste buds yet because I'm still getting over this sickness. So I stopped eating them because I'm like, what's the point? You know, they're honey roasted peanuts. Why did I spend money on honey roasted peanuts if I can't taste them? So I stopped eating them. Michael, how was your day?
It was good. Had fun with work and the girls and the hanging out. I yelled spring break forever at a couple of girls coming out as spring breakers, and they weren't amused because they didn't like the movie. So, sucks for them.
Did you like the movie?
I love the movie. I've seen it 3 times.
How many times?
3 times.
How many times?
Trace.
How many times?
3.
That's 3 times? You said 3 times.
Yes, I did. If only I did it in 3 different languages, that'd be even more impressive. But I don't know a third way to say it 3 times.
Trois.
3 times?
You say trois times.
Alright, I just did.
Or tres.
Trace times?
Oh, you said tres.
Yeah.
Dry?
Dry times? That sounds weird.
That does sound weird. Don't say dry times. But tomorrow's Easter, so that's going to be nice. I'm going to eat some candy. I'm going to eat some candy and do the Pet Boys thing, do some laundry, watch Game of Thrones, and then maybe a special surprise for everybody at the end of the day. Something I've been planning for a little bit, but I'm not going to talk about yet.
Trying to paint some eggs.
It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it for me today. I'm going to go, but I'd like to thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you looking at my face on the internet. I like you. You should check yes if you like me too. And I will see you tomorrow. Say goodbye, Michael.
Shout out to Christina, who doesn't know about this water, is aware of its existence. So yeah.